Welcome to the future of browsing. Meet Comet Agent, your voice-controlled browser on Android. Comet Agent allows you to surf the web without lifting a finger. Just your voice. Simply say Start Comet to launch the browser. It's as easy as that. Once open, just dictate your search or website URL. Listen and browse effortlessly. Navigate pages by simply saying Next or Back. No more finger fatigue. Feel free to ask Comet Agent anything. It's your personal browsing assistant. Explore websites, check your email, and more with ease. Customize your preferences by issuing voice commands. Make it truly yours. Stay productive on the go. Comet Agent is perfect for multitaskers. Ready to transform your browsing? Download Comet Agent today. Join the voice control revolution. Experience the future at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.